Okay. Hello students, I'm Betsy Miss here again, and today I'm going to explain to you how to subtract fractions that have unlike denominators. Okay, so you already know how to subtract fractions which are having like denominators or like fractions. Okay, now here we will see how to subtract unlike fractions. The example I'm giving you is of this fraction 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. Let's see how to solve it now. Now 20 comes in the table of 10, that is 20 is a multiple of 10, correct? So we do not have to do any further find out any other further multiples, different multiples. Instead what we are going to do is we are just going to convert this 10 into the 20, okay, and make both the denominators same. First we'll have to write the statement that 20 is the multiple of 10, multiple of 10, that is 10 के टेबल में 20 आता है, 10 2s are 20. So that this statement means that 20 is a multiple of 10, means in the table of 10 20 comes. So what we are going to do, so I'm going to convert this denominator or this fraction, okay, this fraction's denominator into 20. To convert it, I'll have to take first of all the fractions that are given in the question. 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. This is my question. I'm going to convert this fraction. So I'm going to take this fraction 3 upon 10. 10 into something will give me 20. 10 into 2 gives me 20. So I'm going to multiply 10 into 2. Okay. And then if I'm doing multiplication below, I'll have to do the same above. So 3 into 2. Okay. And this remains the same. This is being converted. That I have written over here. This I will write as it is over here. That is minus 1 upon 20. Minus 1 upon 20. Okay. Now first I will do is that I'll solve this part. In this entire equation, the first part I will solve is this. That is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 upon 10 into 2 is 20. 20. So I have solved this part. Now I have solved this part. Now I will go ahead with this. Minus 1 upon 20. In the next step, I will subtract. 6. Now the denominators are the same, 20 and 20. I can do subtraction directly. That is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 with a common denominator 20. Okay? And 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 20. And this is my answer. This is how you subtract fractions which are having unlike denominators. So let's do another example. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, let's start solving. Again in this fractions you can see that 4 is a multiple of 2. राइट 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को एक्स्ट्रा कुछ करना नहीं है, बस ये फ्रैक्शन को 4 में कन्वर्ट करना है. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर जो है, द डिनोमिनेटर विल हैव टू जस्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू 4. दिस विल रिमेन द सेम बिकॉज 4 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. नाउ I will write the first statement, that is 4 is a multiple of 2. 4 is the multiple of 2. So now what I'll do, I'll write the entire question below. That is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to. Now I have to change this fraction. I don't have to change this fraction. So this fraction I will write as it is. 3 upon 4 minus. अभी इधर change करना है, right? What change I have to do over here? I will write this fraction 1 upon 2. I'll extend the middle line. And 2 multiplied by something will give me 4. 2 multiplied by 2. Very good. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. So therefore I multiply 2 below at the denominator. So now that I multiplied in the denominator, I'll have to multiply in the numerator as well. 1 into 2. Now the next thing I'm going to do is solve this part. This part I'll write as it is, 3 upon 4 minus this. I'll have to solve. 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. I have got this fraction. Now as you can see, the denominators are the same. Since the denominators are the same, I can go ahead and write 3 minus 2 upon 4, okay, with a common denominator. And now subtract 3 minus 2 and I get 1 upon 4. This is my answer. Okay, let's do another sum. 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. This is my question. Let's solve this question. In this question also you can see 14 and 7. 14 is a multiple of 7. 7 के टेबल में 14 आता है. So I just have to change one fraction. एक ही fraction change करना है और इसको 14 बनाना है. The denominator I have to change it into 14. So first statement as usual I will write that 14 is a multiple of 7. 14 is the multiple of 7. So I'll write this question as it is, 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. Now this I do not have to change. This fraction will remain the same. So I will write as it is equal to 6 upon 14 minus. Now this fraction I have to change. The 7 has to be changed into 14. So I will write this fraction 2 upon 7. I will extend the middle line. I will multiply 7 with something so that I get 14. Now 7 2s are 14. So 7 into 2 is 14. So here since I multiplied in the denominator, I will have to multiply in the numerator as well again. So now I will go ahead with the solving. This will remain as it is. 6 upon 14 will remain as it is. The minus symbol will come down as it is. Next is solving of this part. 2 into 2 is 4 and 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, now I have got same denominators or like fractions. I can go ahead with the subtraction. I'll take the numerators, that is 6 minus 4, and write it below a common denominator, that is 14. Now I go ahead with the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2 and the denominator as it is, 2 upon 14. This is my answer.